Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ChatGPT Insights. Today, we're diving into some exciting updates about your trusty AI assistant, ChatGPT. OpenAI has been working hard to improve its performance, and this time, they've made a significant upgrade to the memory feature. So, what's new with ChatGPT's memory? Well, for those who may not be aware, memory is a feature that allows you to save conversations and ask ChatGPT to remember specific details. However, there was a bit of a catch. It couldn't remember everything, and after some point, conversations might get mixed up. But now, with the new update, ChatGPT's memory can reference all your past interactions. This means that if you've had multiple chats with ChatGPT on the same topic, it'll be able to recall those conversations and provide more personalized responses. It's a game changer for users who want a more tailored experience. Sam Altman, co-founder of OpenAI, recently shared this exciting news on X, stating that this update shows they're working towards creating AI systems that get to know you over your life, becoming extremely useful and personalized. Of course, if you don't want ChatGPT to remember everything, you can always turn off the memory feature from the settings or use temporary chat. And for now, this improved feature is only rolling out to $200 Pro subscribers. However, it's expected to arrive at $20 plus subscribers soon, and we'll keep an eye out for when it might be available to free users. So, what does this mean for you? With ChatGPT's enhanced memory, you can expect more accurate and relevant responses from your AI assistant. Whether you're a casual user or someone who relies heavily on ChatGPT, this update is definitely worth keeping an eye on. We'll continue to bring you the latest updates and insights on all things ChatGPT. That's it for today's episode of ChatGPT Insights. Thanks for tuning in.